camel case, and we are presenting the solution to our problem statement, which was predicting future price predictions of agricultural food commodities. So, presenting to you Krisimulya, a web app to help retailers and shopkeepers for early price predictions to release their buffer stocks so that they can maximize their profit by selling their commodities on right time. So the first thing which is a feature of our app is the profile page. So first we have to log in or sign up to our web app. So this is our login page. So first we will sign up. So this is how a new user will sign up on our page when he first comes to our page. So then it consists of three steps. First one is the account info step. It consists of name, email, and password. So we are entering our name, email, and password. Now we click on the next button, and it asks for our personal info like district, city, and state to give us personalized recommendations on when to sell the stocks. So here we enter our area details, and now we confirm our details. So it asks for confirmation, and we click on submit button. And now as we already have registered in our web app, so we'll log in with our ID to show you the features of our app. So we log in with our ID. So we enter our password. So we click on login button, and it redirects you to our main landing page. It consists of weather of our area which we entered during login. It consists of the current market prices of some food commodities, and it consists of three pages: navigation, suggestion page, inventory page, and price prediction page. So first we'll go to our price prediction page, which a registered or a non-registered user can predict price with. So we go to our price prediction page. So we can predict price selecting our commodities. So for example, we are selecting our commodity type to food grains, commodity to rice, state to Uttar Pradesh, and district to Ayodhya. And we click on the price prediction button, and it will take some time, and it will show us a graph, rather two graphs, with one which will show us the current price trend for rice. The blue line here indicates the data which we have taken of the last 15 years from a government website which is AgriMarkNet, and the yellow line shows the future prediction over a span of 1 year, and the top shows the accuracy of our model. We have tried different models and compared their accuracies and mean squared errors, and we finally came up to LSTM model which fits best to our data set. And the second graph shows the actual versus the data which we have predicted. So what we have done is we have taken 180 days of data from the data set, and we have predicted the price of one future day of that food commodity. So this shows the actual versus the model data. The blue line shows the actual data, and the yellow line are predicted data for that date. So also there is a date wise price predictor which we can use to predict the price and get the price of a specific date. So here we are selecting a particular date, and we get the price of that particular date to make it more user so that to make it more comfortable to the users to predict the price of a particular date if he wants to know. Now moving on to our next page. So our next page is the inventory page. So inventory page is designed so that the shopkeepers or the retailers can manage their inventory, their quantity, items quantity, price, date of purchase, so that they do not have to go anywhere else but use our app to do their inventory management. So first there is an add commodity button, which when we click, there is a form which we can fill according to the new inventory which we add in our inventory of the shop. So for example, we enter our commodity name, commodity type, quantity, cost price, and date of purchase. And as soon as we click on the add button, it gets added to our inventory page. So here there is a message that says commodity added successfully, and then you can see our inventory has been updated with the item which we just put in the using the form, and the total value of the inventory is also updated. So, and also we can edit the inventory items. Let's say we have sold some quantity of items, so we can just update the quantity, price, or even the commodity name if we have by chance filled the wrong commodity name using the form, and we can press on the save button. Also we can delete the commodity. So we can delete the commodity, and so let's move on to our next page, which is the suggestion page, which consists of an AI chatbot. So what it is designed to do is, so when we give queries related to agricultural food commodities or its price prediction, it will give you responses based on that. So we have tried to make it more user centric as possible, so that it can be more comfortable for users who are using it for the first time. So they can just type in their queries and it will respond them, helping them with their queries. So let's say we enter a query. So what will be the price of rice in Ayodhya? So we are entering that query. So let's see what we get. So we give this uh, query to our model AI chatbot, and let's see what we get in response. So it has successfully predicted the price, and it has told the user that the predicted price of rice in Ayodhya for a month from now is expected to be 3015.19 per quintal. So let's try with another query. So what will be the optimal time to release our buffer stocks? So let's see what it respond in this query. So again, it has successfully responded to the user's query that the best time to sell your rice stock will be in 2 days, as the price increase is expected on that day. So this is all about chatbot assistant. Now the final page of our app is the profile page. So profile page, which the login, the email ID which we have logged in. So it shows the email ID when we have joined, our name, the inventory overview, which consists of total value, categories, recent additions, price, some price predictions, recent price predictions which we have done along with their date and predicted price, and recent activities on our page. And also there's a logout button which we can click to temporarily log out from our system. So that's it for our problem state.